What specifically about this Muratec machine made you actually go for this one rather than the others that you considered?
It was the belief in Matsuura, to tell you the truth, and it's now proven itself. We now run it 24/7.
24/7. So has it improved? Well, by the sounds of it, it must have done your productivity here.
Considerably. It's up considerably, without a doubt.
When you go home at night, before you would never have had the worry of a machine turning here. Is that an additional headache for you as a company owner, or actually are you strongly of the belief that you can rest assured that this machine's, you're going to come into a box of bits, and good bits?
We've gone into it quite tentatively, right? We didn't start off by running it 24/7. We started off running it a few extra hours at the end of each shift, and then we've gone from that to the stage we're at now over the course of 4 months, where we're now able to run it literally 24/7.
And operators may or may not want to cover their ears on this one, but wasn't it a factor that you were having to pay a lot of overtime to your guys to come in here at weekends and run machines? You don't have to now because this is taking up the slack.
Yeah, I mean, that's very true. We did have a back shift on, which actually was a kind of later shift, 5 o'clock till 3 in the morning. We now don't have that. We don't need it.